Now let me introduce the PP800 model pneumatic machine for making badges. First, we have connected the air pump to air compressor, and we have plugged in the electricity. Now I choose the manual mode to make the badges. First, we put materials on the mold. Put metal shell sharp side down in mold A, then put pictures and mylar. Put in a piece mylar. Don't put more paper and mylar for each badge. Now we rotate the plate. And we can put the back part also on the B mold. Put the pin back sharp side up. Now we need to press the upper mold onto the molds. And then press the B mold.